Hello, and welcome to another wonderful episode of Zappy Chats, an exclusive HR podcast and knowledge sharing session with leaders of diverse domains. Today, we have with us a seasoned HR leader who believes talent is the key for business success and always strive to make its human capital fit for future. Sheetal Shah, the Chief People Officer of Schindler India and South Asia. She has been with Schindler since 2011. In her 2 decade long career in human resources, she has associated with companies like Hindustan Unilever, Reliance Retail, and Avaya Global Connect. She was listed among the top 100 HR under 40 in 2018 and holds a master's in human resource management from the University of Leeds. So let's hear from Sheetal today. So Sheetal, the HR BP concept, the HR business partner concept, ideated by Dave Ulrich in the late 90s or early 2000s. Uh, so this has been a thing in the last 2 decades. So is HR business partner a thing of the past? Is it still relevant? Uh, what should HR professional focus in coming forward?
Dave Ulrich, thank you for speaking about him. I started my career in HR because of the one book that I read by him. So I read a lot of what he says, and I do believe and strongly follow what he says also, Rajat. So I will be borrowing some of his thinking when I'm sharing my thoughts over here, because I'm greatly influenced by things that he has said. Overall, if we really look at business HR partnering, whether it's Schindler or even other industries, I think the entire concept has dramatically evolved. Whether you want to call it transformed or disrupted, whatever word we may choose, um, the whole role has evolved so much. And I have in fact seen that personally at Schindler. In fact, at Schindler, I joined the company to establish and set up the entire business HR partnering. And when I started from there to now, when I see um, the role has evolved so much. It started with just, making sure that we have presence in different locations so that when employees have queries and for employee relations or grievances or resolving conflicts between managers and employees, and more so in fact, uh, it was even just focused on, I would say it was more HR for HR, as Dave Ulrich also puts it, right? Wherein we were just focusing on what employees need, you know. And when I see now, and especially in the last 6 to 8 months, I would really go by what Dave Ulrich speaks. He says, what can HR give to an employee, he says. And very beautifully, he says that an organization that wins in the marketplace is what the HR's purpose should be. And in fact, when I look at the Schindler strategy also, that we have a people strategy at Schindler, we speak about how HR is supposed to support the business by supporting its people. Now, that concept was all revolving around, topics like comp and ben and, hiring best practices and all of that. But in fact, just a couple of weeks back, the whole HR team got together and we were thinking about our strategy on what we want to do. And we said, we want to add value to our customers. We want to be able to create value for the company. It's not that we make an HR strategy and we make certain processes and policies and we just follow them. The idea is that as HR, how are we creating value really for the business? So our job as business HR partners is not about the content. It's about how you can use that content which is relevant to the context that we are working in. So I would say HR has become more about delivering values to multiple stakeholders, keeping the most relevant context in mind right now.
Just like what Dev has mentioned, HR is less about, or HR BP is less about HR and more about adding value to the business. What a noble thought. I mean, and this is where the foundation of HR business partnering is built upon. Thank you for sharing that.